Daysnew Wireless TV Headphones uses a dedicated radio frequency link with a long range, so you can move around the room without audio cutting out or lagging behind the picture. The included charging dock doubles as a transmitter, making setup as simple as plugging it into your television and dropping the headphones onto the stand when you are done watching. Personal volume control on the headset lets you listen at a louder level than the television speakers, which is especially helpful for seniors or anyone with hearing difficulties. Soft memory foam ear cushions, a padded adjustable headband, and a lightweight build keep the headphones comfortable during extended movie nights or binge-watching sessions. Large dynamic drivers and low audio delay create clear, full television sound that stays in sync with dialogue and on-screen action. The package comes with multiple audio cables and a power adapter, so it works with almost any modern or older television right out of the box.